With Swissco's 81-266 and 81-272 roller axle kits, it's possible to extend the life of discontinued sliding glass door roller assemblies. This video will demonstrate how to replace wheels on a variety of different roller assemblies. If you know which type of assembly you're repairing, jump ahead to the relevant position in the video. For this assembly with a roll pin axle and 1 1/4-inch wheel, we'll use the 81-266 roller kit, a 3/8 inch drill bit, a 1/4 inch punch, a wood block, and a hammer. First, drill a hole into a block of wood. Center the roller's wheel and axle over the hole. Then, drive out the old wheel's axle by using a hammer and punch to tap it out. In some cases, you may need to lubricate the axle if it's seized in the wheel. Secure the new wheel into the roller housing by tapping the axle back into place. Here is a roller assembly with a 1 1/2 inch wheel that's held in with a rivet. You'll need the 81-272 roller kit, a vise, a hammer, a 1/2 inch center punch, a drill with a 1/4 inch drill bit like our 75-505, and a hard surface. First, secure the roller housing in a vise. Then use your 1/4 inch drill bit to drill out the old rivet. In some cases, you may need to grind off the rivet head if the axle starts to spin while drilling. Once the old wheel is removed, reassemble with the new 1 1/2 inch wheel and rivet from the 81-272 kit. Place the entire mechanism on a hard surface like a vise, anvil, or metal plate. Using a 1/2 inch center punch and a hammer, set the rivet into the housing. Once riveted, give the wheel a test to be sure it operates smoothly. For this adjustable roller assembly with a stepped axle pin and 1 1/4 inch wheel, we're going to use the 81-266 kit. We'll also need a 3/8 inch drill bit, a wood block, and a hammer. First, loosen the adjustment screw from the housing to separate the inner carriage. Then, slide the old wheel out of the carriage. Drill a hole into a block of wood and center your new wheel over the hole to tap in a new stepped axle from the kit. Now just place the wheel into the carriage and slide the housing and carriage back together. For these parts and more, visit us at swissco.com.